Here we review the arthrokinematics of the upper cervical and lower cervical spines. This is a nice picture here in A that shows us the occipital condyles and their articulation with the atlas. And we notice here where the arrow is that it's a convex surface from the perspective of the occipital condyles on a concave surface, which is the axis. So when we extend our head, we have a posterior roll and an anterior slide at the atlanto-occipital joint. If we look at the C1 on C2, or the atlas on the axis, this is a little bit more unusual, because here, instead of having a convex on concave relationship, we have a concave surface, which is the inferior condyle of the atlas, and another concave surface, which is the superior condyle of the axis. And so instead of using the typical concave on convex terminology, we say with extension there's a posterior tilt. Then now as we go more inferior, and now we're talking about the articulation between C2 and C3, and below that, these are plain synovial joints, and so there's simply with extension, there's sliding posterior.